Doctors don't want you to know that. Here are the 5 foods you absolutely must avoid if you want to stay healthy. Number 1. Avoid cow's milk. Milk is designed for veal, but not for humans. Research has shown that milk doesn't do more for your bones and even creates osteoarthritis and cardiovascular disease. Number 2. Avoid white sugar. The processed white sugar found in desserts, sodas and sweetened drinks is considered poisonous to your body and your health. Number 3. Avoid supermarket fruit juices. Supermarket fruit juices are overloaded with sugar and are completely unnatural. Fruit juice contains as much sugar as Coke. Number 4. Avoid pasta. Pasta is made from GMOs and is anything but natural. It's packed with gluten, which is known to clog arteries. And the last. Avoid cereals. Chocolate cereals, cornflakes, and even so-called healthy natural cereals are still very bad for your health, as they're packed with sugar and gluten. Subscribe to discover more.